peeps, welcome to my fridge. There's no chicken in there. Only thing you're gonna see in my fridge is fish. Everything to do with fish. So you're gonna see fish head and fish. Yeah. It's fish head and fish. I realized that it's so loud. I watch Dima Wanga and then I have so loud. You can still get copyright for them something on the peeps. So you do get copyright and stuff like that. So I'm gonna take out this fish now and put it out. And then we still have more fish head, boiled soup. Take out the smaller bag here and use the red stuff for them out there. I'm sure to take out the one here. But this have grunt tonight, so I don't want no grunt. No grunt at the speed. So I'm gonna take out this one. This one peeps. So this one's gonna do it. So yes, peeps, this will do it. Yes, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy All the Fire Triple 7, and it's Monday. Let me see this now. So I'm gonna go fry the fish here, escabate it, because some special person like the way I did the fish the other day. So I'll make the person get some more too. So I'm gonna put this, but I guess this is not big enough for me to do this one. I forgot use one knife and dig off, so yeah, and put this on the stand. Yeah, I'll put this in my hand. Yeah, I'll dig off some of it because it's frozen. I take it off from morning, you know, but you never know how the day I go. If I was gonna be here until this time. Yeah, and now they want to cook fish during the day, but I've been working so hard for the day, and they want during the day. So I'm here now, so I'm going on the road. Yeah, so this is extremely tough. Alright, so I did have two, and you can see, two good sized ones. Very good size. Yeah.
Wow.
Well, still?
What did they pack the fish?
Yeah, fish up on the menu today. Yeah. So, that's the peep. So, that's 3. Another 4. Right. That's 4. And with the 4, I'm still like 3 leaves on this, and about nearly 7 if not about. That's a good amount of fish too. But now I'm going to continue to buy fish that I run out completely. Fish, and more fish. So I'm going to fry some of the fish here. As I say, I feel like somebody get some. I don't know that somebody there yet. Yeah, but yeah, for sure now. So yes peeps, welcome back to my channel. And this is my backyard. Yeah. So I have a lake at the back of my yard. I just need a jet ski now. And trust me, I love to see it. So at times when we have flooding in Cayman, the water come all the way up to this step right here. The water from over there. But it don't come inside. Actually, the water go around there and go back on the road and flood other people's houses, but never flood this before. As I can see, we even have some of them, the duck. We have some duck over the lake. Look, see duck in there. See them? So one GoPro. So this is an iPhone 14, so this is a zoom like the 15. So nobody can see that. Turtles. This is some turtle, eh? And also turtle right there, so there's some turtles. Those are turtles, and then iguana that one there, this stone. Let's say iguana now. But iguana is normally on this stone. Yeah, it's probably too hard for the drone. So I see one duck, two, three. Yeah, I see one long, I don't know what that bird name. I don't know the bird name, but a long neck bird and normally a fish then catch. But we don't do fishing over here, so because it's quite difficult to say I catch fish over here. So I bite on your shore, something then turtle and I go eat off the bait. You know, fish them run from the turtle. So more likely turtle them I go eat the bait. Yeah, nobody eat the turtle then, nobody bother them. So turtle, a lot of turtles over there. I say will eat me mean a lot. So when water come here, so you know what, when the rain fall and you have flood and water come up here, so at night time, whole heap of turtles out here. A whole lot of turtles. So I don't see no iguana out here. Yeah, we used to have a tree that's a landlord make, which is him never have to cut on that. But you know, landlord, you know, sort in our head on what do you call it? Dopey soursop. What's the name again? What's the name again? Yeah, but something way good. Actually, I got juice some now too. And landlord make a tractor man tear down the tree from right there. If you know what the channel, that's the tree right there. Dopey soursop. We call it dopey soursop. We call it in Jamaica. Yeah. Sometimes I can't remember the right name. So because I'm do construction over there, he dig down the tree right here, which is that tree never have to come down. I don't see why. Because that tree was so significant and have a lot of healing use. So see some of the iguana then come out and look. So right in there. Watch him. Yeah. Oh, that's another one there. What if I didn't come out? Ugly one then. Yes, Steve. Yeah. I can't remember the name of this something, man. Like, seriously? Can't believe. And actually, I have some for the juice right now, too, you know, because I put some for drain. And it drain. So I lick them on there. Yeah, him grow and I pick off a jelly them off a tree. So as soon as the jelly them up or anything, I'm going to catch. Instead of iguana, I'm going to catch. Yeah, catch iguana? Iguana? Are iguana you catch? So you're not even iguana I'm catching the peeps. As nothing lick on the tree. You know you have, anywhere you go, any country you go, you have the little people. In Jamaica you have some of them grow on. And pick off anything off a tree. So apparently, two little ackee up on that ackee tree there. I think I pick off. I think so iguana I'm catch. Anywhere you go, you have the little people, you know, them smoke. So they need them money to go smoke. Yeah. So in the meantime, in between time, the fish are going out. Let me put back this fish here. Yes, peeps, I had to call someone a while ago to remind me. It was not near. Sometimes you forget names of specific things. That is what happened to me a while ago. Yeah, so I am going to juice some noni. No, they didn't know. Yeah. So yes, peeps. So I'm changing the dish for the fish because I realize when the fish no submerge, I not like no fly pitch pan me something them. So yeah, just change the dish. So now I am going to juice some noni. So the tree around the side that I said the landlord make this the tractor man cut down this noni tree. And you know noni have what I always say now, beneficial use, that is good for your health. And then tractor man push it down. He didn't have to push it down, he could just work around it and leave it. Because trees like that is very essential. You know, cut down things like that. But you know, we as human beings, so we stay with destroyful. Trust me, destroyful, very destroyful. To destroy whatsoever is good for your health, you know? Because sometimes some people say they don't have money and they tend to eat the finest of things, but then if some people live in some country and they are not eating the finest of things, they are eating what is around, what they can get from around them in the environment within them and the bush and things, and they are much more healthier. Yeah. But anyhow, we have some noni tips. So from the other day, I get them down here because I couldn't even get none from around here, so somebody give me some. A nice person looked some for me and gave me some. Yeah. Oh, but then can break down more, man. Not ready yet, peeps. I thought it was ready, but not ready yet, peeps. Still not ready yet. See it there? You can break down more. So what I'm going to do, shoots, I don't know my joke to come on. What I'm going to do still, I have the water bottle here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut it and put it in here and put it in there. So it's stay in there and break down. And then I strain it off. And every morning, take a teaspoon of it. You see it there? You not completely break down it. See, even the bubble swell up. See there, you can see it same. You not completely break down it, but start a lot of juice in it already, but you not break down it. You need to break down some more. Yeah. So I'm going to cut out the bottle here. And I cut it out right here. So. This is a water bottle, so I'm going to cut the bottle here and then kind of tape it up. And then, I want none to waste. Let me see, I'm going to do this now. This is short up. You see that juice out and I drain out after the bag. I thought it was, but you know, completely break down it. Yeah, so I'm going to tape it up back with that tape and leave it. So anyway, people, stick and stay. Don't go nowhere. So I don't have no plastic tape, so I'm going to use this and tape up it. And then I'm gonna make it break down more. Actually as I can see, juice already in it. Yeah, and this is very nutritious. You know, tastes very nice because things are normally good for you and taste nice. Very true, it's not sweet or anything, it's not nice, but it is very good for the body. Yeah, so I'm gonna go, make it rotten out like, and then I juice it. So I bring strain and everything and say I never get it, but I'm not ready yet. Yeah. Because that will be quick. Thinking about it, that will be very quick. So you know, peeps, and season the fish now and fry it and get the carrot and stuff ready. Stick and stay. Don't go nowhere. Yes. Testing microphone 1, 2, 3. Mr. Test the microphone because sometimes I forget that I have mic now. Say I have wireless mic. Never remember sometimes, but you only can use with the iPhone 15 based on how it's set up because I broke off a part. I forgot an iPhone. Anyhow, peeps. So right now, I get them fish already. Yeah. I'm gonna get these fish ready, and then I realized that I have been doing my thing and practically I give away my recipe. So now I kind of hide whenever time I'm seasoning up my fish because I realized that my technique for doing the fish is completely different. My seasoning. So now I can walk out in my room. I don't still hear me. Yeah. My technique for seasoning the fish is completely different. Because the other day we went to restaurants and you know them have fish there too. And I had a fried fish and it was it tastes completely different from my one. And not just completely different, but it tastes good. Tell you the truth. They had nothing And me. My first like the chef and not loving job. But the fish not taste good. Then season it. Then can't season fish, peeps. And season don't take a lot of fish. Fish don't take a lot of season, you know. Fish don't take a lot of season. Because a lot of people season fish with that season. You know that season? One of I don't like. The season there. The M1 there. Yeah, a lot of people use it. I mean I like it. Because it's just full of MSG and that's it. I don't like it. So whenever time I'm gonna fry fish, I normally cut off all the fins off it. So when I season it, which is I like to use my hand to season fish. So when I season it, the bone them now stick out and cut me up. Yeah, so I like to cut off everything. Normally, by right, you should have a scissors. But I never have a scissors. I don't have a scissors, so I use a knife. And if one thing with them fishermen here, okay man, them actually scale the fish. As if you even go on it, you find no scale on it. Literally no scale. Because them scale them very good. Refine, not just brush off the scale. I love my country, you know, but this whole heap of hustling thing, you know, good. I wonder if I can fry them fish here, all the peeps. I have another frying pan, but the frying pan, the kind of, anything you put anything in it, it stick. But anyway, me like, should I give somebody, I want to cut them up. I want to fry them all. You don't like to give people anything and cut them up, you know. So I want to give them all. Okay, not just for me alone. So I bring it on the road, go get the person. Okay, the person tasted my fish the other day and them say it up like 7. So yes peeps, thank you all for liking and sharing and commenting and subscribing and keep coming back. Yeah, thank you for supporting the channel. I really appreciate you guys watching from all over the world. Yeah, I appreciate that. Yeah. Yes peeps, I always look for fish. Yes, I only eat fish, vegetable and bean. All for meringue. Yeah, one of them days I couldn't. You never watch a video them before. When I cook meringue, I cook meringue just like callaloo and other vegetables too. It tastes just a bit of seasoning, natural season in there, and you're good to go. Yeah. So you can call me the king of meringue. Yeah, hopefully landlord will cut down the meringue tree them too. Because a lot of people they don't understand that we need trees. No need to cut down the trees them. If you make building palm tree alone, no, that is nothing. We need trees, fruit trees also. Trees that is good. You can get something from. Yeah. So just 4 of them I'm fry peeps. Just 4 of them I'm frying. And these are some snapper, some red snapper. I have grunt, but with grunt are more steaming fish. Fish for steam or roast. Roast some I couldn't see one in there. But in there I'm going to go up on the beach to roast some fish. Like where it was at the beach, Summit Cove. That is a perfect place because them already have fire grill place there. You can roast fish already. You don't have to bring anything, you just bring your charcoal or if you want to use wood. But them already have it there at the beach. More than one too. You can just roast your fish. Or whatever you want to prepare there. Yeah. So that's mostly we Jamaicans alone clean fish, so you know, as if we don't want to see nothing on the inside, you know, no farmer intestine. But some other people they don't give a crap and just You see? And some people cut fish different. Some people cut it crossway. Me cut it one way. Yeah, I cut it one way. Yeah. And big up Donald Trump. Big up Uncle Donald. Yeah. Today I'm going to the White House. Big up yourself, Uncle Donald. And and subscribe now to me say big up Uncle Donald, you know. You hear that? And this is just my opinion, peeps. I like Uncle Donald because he speaks in mind. And I love that. I admire people who stay like that. I'm not into people who are hypocrite. I rate Uncle Donald because he speaks in mind. You know? Yeah. That's what I respect about that man, mainly. He speaks his mind. Whether you like it or not. I laugh with you and then I do something else. I speak in mind. Big up yourself, Uncle Donald. And it's not about politics, peeps. I'm not into politics or politics. Yeah. Yeah, so them fish are kind of ready for season up now, peeps. I'm going to season up them and then I cut up vegetables. That is it. So now, and here are with me now. So whenever time I'm doing fish, yeah, some people wash it with vinegar. I don't really like wash fish with vinegar. I enjoy using just lime. And when I use the lime too, I like just like wash it like this. After I finish wash it off with the water, I squeeze the lime on it. And then I drain off back some of the juice, lime juice off of it. And then I season it because I like the flavor, the lime flavor. Yeah, I love it. I love the lime flavor. And the beauty about being a Caribbean and where I'm living is this. I have a backyard. We can always throw them around there. I don't have to save them to throw in the garbage, which is them here. Fish fins and stuff like that. What it do? Throw it in the garbage, it stink of the garbage. So I throw them outside and the fowl them eat it. Yeah. So I'm also feeding the fowls. So let me get a lime. Let me get myself a lime. Let me get a lime, peeps. A lime, yeah, I still got lime in here. Lime in here, come like the one spoil, because I not use them. If I make some lemonade, we get rid of lime them. I not use them fast enough, peeps. I'm just not using them fast enough. Yeah. And it is so wonderful. Sometimes I remember I have a mic, peeps. Yeah. Even though, yeah, I get a new mic. And two of them busy. I remember I set it up. So I have two wireless mics. Two set of wireless mic. One this a DJI. And the other one I want a new one. I remember what name. Yeah, I'm paying $300 for this, $300 US for this. Or $300 US, it's nice. So. And then the other one at $200. But that's it. When you love something, you will always invest in it. Yeah. It really matter. And then I got myself a new GoPro too. A new GoPro Hero 13. I'm still not start using it. So you know, I feel good to like me stack up on gadgets. Yeah, I got a new GoPro Hero 13 also. Yeah, but I only have 2 batteries for it, and then the charger that I have. I don't like plugging in the GoPro to charge it from the GoPro. I like to have the charger separate, where battery then can charge by themselves. So I need to get one too before I start using it. So that is my next move to get one, which is hard to get, just that I don't have it here as yet, because it's brand new. I'm not seeing online now here. I ask them to store them, then I have none. So I go order it on Amazon and wait nearly 2 weeks. Or if nobody I go up, going to America, it's better for me. Then I don't have to pay no shipping and handling or nothing like that. They just buy it and take it to me. So now I must squeeze some lime on it, peeps. Aye? throw it off. Yeah, throw off the water. So now I'm going to season it up. So now I'm going to season it up. I'm going to show only one of my season because I realized something. Yeah, that this is unique the way I use my seasoning. Because I know Empress never said the other day when I use and seasoning fish. I know she never say. She might say one of the seasoning, but she never say everything I use. Because I start hide from people now. Anyway, peeps, stick and stay. You're gonna know it. So yes, peeps. Season up the fish now. Seasoning the fish. And I'm using Walker's Wood. Traditional Jamaican jerk season. That's what it says. And Walker's Wood is in St. Anne, Jamaica, St. Anne. Walker's Wood. So big up all the people there from St. Anne. Big up on yourself. As D would say, big up on a nice clean self. Yeah. So fish ready now. This just gotta sit a bit and marinate. So yes, peeps, that is it. See it now, peeps? You see where I go? Yeah, look at that. That's rich. And I have more than one season on it. More than one season in it, I should say. But as I say, I didn't show the special ingredient. Let me turn on some more light because in here kind of not so. Even though I did, the light kind of not so bright in here. Yeah, that is it now. Yeah, it should show brighter now. So yes, peeps, I'm just gonna cover up this fish. Yeah, and get the rest of the season ready. Yeah, so now I'm gonna cut up. You know, then say the way through a man's heart is through his stomach. I don't know about that. I don't know about that. Men, you comment. Because as to me, I can cook. So no woman can catch me with no food. You get me, I say? Me can cook for myself. Thanks to my mother who taught me to cook. So right here, so I have some sweet pepper. And yeah, I got me some sweet pepper, peeps. Some people, and not everybody put sweet pepper whenever time they are escabage fish. They might escabage fish, so not everybody use sweet pepper, but I love to use it. But it's just me. That is just me. I love to use it. Yeah. I love to use me some sweet pepper. Yes, please. And I can still smell the noni. The noni is strong. Show me the have not that dish here. The noni is strong is a shame. Sorry not ready yet. Because I really want some noni juice in my body. Yes, that is it, peeps. So, cut up the sweet pepper first. Now, people don't call it sweet pepper. Some people call it bell pepper. But in Jamaica, we say sweet pepper. Sweet pepper. Oh, I may have one beer here, peeps. You know, I have a beer in the fridge. Even though, who can agree? Them beer don't taste like it used to taste one time. Red Stripe beer. It's a imported large beer brew in Jamaica. Imported large. Why is it imported? Imported from where? It certainly don't taste the way it used to taste. Because a long time I don't drink one. Actually, I get the beer and I have it in the fridge for a long while. So I prefer drinking Corona then. To me, Corona then tastes better than Red Stripe now. I'm not advertising for Corona, but I'm just saying it tastes better than Red Stripe now. Red Stripe no longer tastes good. Red Stripe tastes like urine. If me ever taste urine it, well, I imagine that's what it tastes like. Oh God. Yeah. Yeah. So this is how I like to cut the onion and my escovitch fish. And yeah, let me say it. I'm escoviching fish, not just for me, but for someone special. Someone special? Yes, someone special. We all are special. So, someone special. So, someone out there looking in, you're special. Of course, you're special. You're so special. You're special. Very special. And now, peeps, cut up the carrot. Actually, I could have get carrot when I not have to cut up, but somehow I like it the old-fashioned way. As in cutting up myself. I may have this in the fridge anyhow. And if I don't use it, it's going to spoil. So I have to carrot and I have to peel carrot. You just scrape it. You just scrape it. So I have 1.5 carrot. So I'm going to use them. I'm going to use it. So anyway, peeps, stick and steer. I'm going to on fire, hold the fire. Take a little time to cut up the carrot, so. Check my back, I'm done cut up the carrot. So yes, peeps, finish cutting the carrot. Let me say, Mr. Tape, here is a tape. Oh. Finish cutting the carrot. So now, it's time for the pepper. I think I bring 3 pepper. Was it 3 or 2? I'm sure it was 3 peppers. But anyway, oh, I don't know if that's 3 pepper, man. I know it was 3 peppers. So, I'm now put none of the pepper them in the pot. As in frying the oil. Can't manage that, because that's gonna be too much to me smell right about now in the kitchen. So I'm gonna put piece in there with a little piece of with some of my seed in it. Yeah. You know, so the seed is what gives it the flavor. See that at the spot, right? So I'm kind of cut it big. Yeah. And you know what happens if I go to the bathroom to get a pee and don't wash my hand and hold my D? You know, so that's how it there. That's how trouble start. So yes, peeps, that is it. Ready now, Steve.
Alright?
Ready now, you know?
Ready now?
Yeah. Cook up a stem. Nothing like my escovitch fish, you know.
There's nothing like what you do with that.
Yeah.
Smells spicy too.
Ah.
Wow.
Pepper hot peeps. Yeah. Yeah, Steve, see it? So look. Yeah. Just enough. So let me get rid of them here. And right away. Oh, smoke. Throw this run out box in, peeps. And then, yeah, I grabbed the high. Oh, I said I was gonna use this pot. I haven't used this pot in a while. And I use a pot in a while, peeps. But a pot here can't fry. Can't hold one of the fish one time. And at least 2 fish. So I'm gonna make the oil extremely hot. Now the light up on me. Oh, I see lighter here. Yeah, lighter here, peeps. So, you know my style. Go clean up all here, so kind of wetty, and yeah. So let me go get the vinegar and put on this pot right away. Yeah, no itching, peeps. Oh my word. Same time, like that one here. No itching, peeps. Let me get the oil quick and fast. Quick and fast, 1 word or 2 word, peeps. Quick and fast. Because that's the way I always use it. Quick and fast. Quick and fast. And the thing is, I buy oil the other day. One coconut oil from Jamaica. But then it's still, me use it and it still sleep up. But this one, I don't see it sleep up. And this is coconut oil, this is Cayman coconut oil. I buy this in the farmer's market. Farmer's market here? No. Farmer's market? No, I buy it up on north side, sorry. I buy it up north side from a lady. But this is real coconut oil. You can smell it. Yeah. Real coconut oil. But then the one that I buy was a real coconut oil. Even now, it still sleep up. You see if the oil is enough. I think so, yeah. One more time, if I get another buckle. Buckle costs so much. How much I pay for this again? I think I'm paying $25 or something like that. I don't remember. But it's worth it, trust me. I fried breadfruit with it and it was like so tasty. I just love how it smells when I fry breadfruit. Yeah. It tastes real good. Let me see what I go on. Holy smoke. Keeps me to realize. So I have the one here. Watch it, pot burn up already too. Turn it all the way down. So I put a little bit of oil in it, just a bit. Yeah, and then some people are using oil. Instead of just throw vinegar in a pot. Then just throw vinegar in a pot and then then throw it. And throw it the vinegar with the season and everything in the pot. I don't do it like that. I just throw a little bit of oil first. Not too much because you don't want it greasy. But just a little bit of oil and little vinegar. So I throw the oil and then I put the seasoning, the carrot them in it. Yeah. Yes, babes. So big up Miss Juliet. Tell them that Juliet Campbell. Every time I use this, I'm going to remember you. She bring this to me. She bring it all the way from Florida. Yeah, so every time I use it, I tell them I'm going to remember you. Because this was really needed. So now, I won't get burned up I won't get no bun. I can get bun otherwise. Can be in a relationship or a friendship, but not in the kitchen. Not in the kitchen while I'm cooking. As Uncle Donald say, bun is a must, not necessarily. Yes, please. So that is it. It's quite an amount. Let me know say so much. I didn't know it was this much. Please. Oh my word. Pepper are too hot, peeps. And the season, I've been a bit of pepper, you know. The season have a bit of pepper. Thing I'm not like with a pot here is the reason why I make the oil extremely hot, because this pot, whenever time you're frying anything in it, it always stick. And I don't like that. So now put a little bit of vinegar in this. Yeah. And then cover it up, make it go and simmer. Stir it up a little. Make it go and simmer. So by the time, and this is the right cover for it too, because it's sealed. Seal is sealed. As Ison, that's a big up yourself, Ison. Yeah, Ison, that's a seal is sealed. Seal is sealed, so. That might look hot, but it's not hot enough. And the thing with coconut oil brings smoke easily. Yeah, you would think so it burn up. So it look like it burn up. But sometimes it's not really that hot. Yeah, that's the thing with coconut oil. May even look like it's burning, but it's not. So now I'm gonna put the snappers them in there. Let me try, see? One snapper. Two snapper. Oh my word. I'm gonna feel like I should have covered them. Even though you can cover fish when you fry pips, you can actually cover it. Because what happens, it's frying and steaming at the same time. So it's done even better. And I can't take that whole pop in there. It's gonna burn me up. Let me see, open the back door a bit. Yeah. Blow out some of this. That's the thing about, a good thing about having a back door. Yeah. If this was a totally enclosed area, then all in here would be smoky. Because you know when you fry fish in an enclosed room, yeah, then you get big fishy smell. Yeah. Big fishy smell. So this is it, peeps. It's a Monday, it's a Monday. Enough for you there at work. Consider me being at work right now. I'm working. So as Sister Portia seems to me like used to say, if you don't see me, I'm working. Yeah. So now I'm working. That is what I'm doing. Yeah, so I have to make sure I turn it, because as I say, the pot here normally stick easily, you know, for stuff in it. I mean, I like that. Alright, see there? So, you know, wait until one side extremely fry. You turn it before that. So now continue to turn it. I'm going to continue to turn it until it's totally fried. So because if enough oil in the pot, full of oil or something, for it to well fry, or the oil not cover the fish completely, you have to turn it So if you leave one side alone for fry first, then you know you might have one side extremely brown and the other side before the other side it only crisp but it's not ready. Sometimes when I talk, you know, when I don't understand when I talk, I just kind of mix up everything. Because I talk fast. Oh boy. So anyway, peeps, stick and stay. Don't go nowhere. Yes, peeps, I'm about to take out the first set of the fish, the pot. Yeah. So this one is ready, like Freddy. And then this one is the reason I don't like this pot, you know. No matter how you fry it and you try to avoid it, always a stick fish. You know, I don't like this pot. I don't like this pot. Because fish can always a sticky knife. For some reason I don't know why. And the only way it's supposed to stick and is unless you not wait till the oil well hot. And even if I wait till the oil well hot with this, it still stick. But that's crazy. I like that pot there. I don't like that pot. Whew. Have to make sure I take them out of the oil. But this will cause the fish to burn. So let me just empty the buckle in there. Yeah, just like that. That's coconut oil. Rich. That's rich. Whew. And thing I don't like with the potato, because you can't hold the angle. You know, the angle is hot. I don't like this pot. I may hardly use it, you know? I hardly use this pot. But somehow, look I mess up my fish today. Look I mess up my fish. Frying about, you know, the fish tear. And I like it, so my fish like that. I don't like to see my fish like that. Alright, so this almost ready. Already, it's ready. It's ready. So now, just leave it, make it cool. Make it cool. Yeah. And 2 fish leave, peeps. 2 fish leave now. Only 2 fish leave. And this seems hot enough. Yeah, with the real coconut oil, you know. That's good. There's a lot of seasoning in this. Because as you put the fish in it, it'll stick. Can I eat that part this? As you put the fish in there, it'll stick. Just make sure you ease it up. Because by the time you're ready to turn it, it'll go stick. I don't like when my fish stick in the pot. It really pisses me off. And when I cover it too, mess up the stove less. Also, yeah. So now, look what I'm gonna do now, peeps. Look now. And now. Oh, in here full of smoke, peeps. Get out some of the smoke. Oh my God. I know some of you in time at already, peeps. Or just the kitchen hot. I think I'm gonna take my drone for a fly when I'm done. I haven't flown my drone in a while. Come on, fly. I remember when I fly drone. Yeah, when I fly the drone. Finish. Yeah. Let me turn it one more time again. I'm gonna do the back down on the fork. Because I know, so then stick again. I like when my fish stick to it. When I fry fish on a stick, I don't like that. Only way it's supposed to stick is unless the oil is not hot enough. That's the only reason for it to stick. You see the peeps? Look at that. Look at that. So, I'm gonna throw some on the fish. Yeah. You know, I've waited for it until it's completely cool. You know what I'm saying? See steam will come out of it same way. I want to drop on my foot, peeps. Hey, eat that, peeps. And then I leave the rest. But the pepper in it, peeps, none of you will like that pepper. Yeah. So frying fish for someone special. Yeah, Steve. Yeah, and then say now if you get a Caribbean man, you know, a real Caribbean man who love cook food. Yeah. So ladies out there, make sure you get yourself a real Caribbean man, a Jamaican man who love to cook. Yeah, and love to do house chores too. Because a lot of you when I get a partner, the woman work also and the partner work, but then just the woman alone have to do the house chores. Well, most Jamaican men not like that. Yeah, we help the house chores too. We don't consider it as just a woman job, no. We are in this thing together. That is it. Yeah, when I believe that, or I mean I believe that house chores are just for a female. No. I believe that we are in this thing together. So we're supposed to do it together. You help me and me help you. Whoa. Another day when I stop at the restaurant and get fish, the fish they dry out. So when I say dry out, I mean dry out. But I know what's on a local fish. The imported fish them. And them already dip on the freezer for how long. So dip on the ice and the ice already dry it out. And then when they fry it now, there is nothing in there I get from it. It's just fish. Just fish, no nourishment, nothing at all. Nothing at all. Wow. So look at that, peeps. Look at that. Well, the place else I can get this, a Welcher. Some people say Elcha, but I say Welcher. All in Welcher, you can get this, Welcher Beach. But we know it's not taste like this. It not taste like this at all. So yes, peeps, just wait for this to finish, and then we clean up back here, so, and I edit that video. I'm going to edit this video right away. No, I'm going to fly drone first. So this is some drone footage of my backyard, and man, them around this our work. Yeah, I put up a landlord and make new apartment. Landlord is making new apartments. So yes, people, and thank you all for coming on the live and sharing in the discussion. Yeah, you know we have a lot of things to discuss. And you know me, as to me, I love to talk about things that people don't want to talk about. You get me, I say? Yes. So if you have any special topic that you would like to discuss, you can also DM me on Instagram at Olifire777_TV. Yeah, send me a message there. DM me, yeah. And I will look at the topic and I will discuss it. Because as I said, this channel is not just about me alone, it's about all of us, because our whole of the channel, because if it was for me alone, this channel couldn't be where it is now, as in growing, because me alone couldn't make it grow. It happened through you guys. We're telling our family members and our friend them, and then coming along, to join. Oh Lord. Peeps, I'm in trouble today. This stupid pot is itching the fish. And I can't hold the angle of the pot because the angle hot. I hate this pot. Holy smoke. Yeah. Thank you, Miss Juliet, for this spark again. Really appreciate this spark. Because I just had a regular spark to turn the fish, but now this really helps a lot. But the pot here, come and just dash the pot here, honestly. Come and see you sight. Make it look like me can't fry fish. Anyway, it's soon ready, so I soon can take them out. I don't like the pot here. The pot here piss me off. You know me peeps, stick and stay. Don't go nowhere. So yes peeps, I'm gonna take out these fishes now. Last two fish, and that's it for the frying of fish today. Oh, I remember some I can't hold on by the angle. And the angle is hot. Stupid pot. My peeps. Look at that. See it? Yes, that's my fish. That's some red snapper. Beach red snapper for a special person. So now I'm just going go ahead and put this on it. Yeah. Ow, and it still have pop up and burn me. Look how far I'm there. Yes, peeps, so that is it. And one thing with this peeps, for example, if you make this stay and cool, this can stay for up to 3 days without being refrigerated. Yeah, because I have vinegar in it. Yeah. Because I did it before. I did it all the time. I do it all the time. Up to 3 days before I put it in the fridge. Because the vinegar is kind of preservative. Yeah. And it won't spoil, trust me. It won't spoil. But depend on the temperature of the room too, where you put it in. Because if it's hot, then it might spoil. Yeah. Just put a bit at that point. Just a bit. Yeah. I'm just put some of this on it because it's not gonna really stay. Yeah. It's gonna eat shortly. So make it a bit juicy. Yes, babe. So that is it. Look there. Look at that. Look at that. See, ladies, this is what you need, Caribbean man, Jamaican man. You know how to do things. Yes. And if you don't believe me, it's the best tasting. If you don't believe me that this is the best tasting, ask Empress, ask Blessed, and ask Mama. Best tasting fish. Nobody, KFC said nobody do it better. Do it better than them. They can't fry fish like me. Nobody does it better. May have some secret ingredients. Hey, when we say secret ingredients, simple. Because as I say, fish don't need another seasoning. Fish don't need a lot of seasoning. Yeah. Fish is very easy to season. So easy to season. Yeah. Yeah, fish is very easy to season, peeps. Yeah, because I might drop down me marina. Fish is very, very easy to season. You have to just love it. And when you love what you do and do what you love and do it to the best of your ability, you have to be the best. Let me tell you this, peeps. If you're doing something and you don't enjoy doing it, find something. Because you might can't quit right away. Because there's no sense in quitting what you're doing. Because it might just be your only source of funds right now. But trust me, try and get something that you love to do. Because if you're doing something and you don't enjoy doing it, it makes no sense. It's like a punishment. Trust me. I love YouTube and I love my work. I love detailing cars and I get to meet new people and drive new vehicles. You know, I mean, people that I wouldn't regularly meet every day today, have a conversation with them. So I can actually, have a sense of different things and business and all of that. So as I say, love what I do and do what I love. That is the reason I say that. Love what I do what I love, and then you will do it to the best of your ability. Yes. So right now, I'm going to take up the drone for a while and show you how I'm going to run the place. So when I go see that I end a video, I start a video and at the end of the video. So, until next video, big up on yourself and thank you all for liking and sharing and commenting and subscribing. And remember, love yourself first. You get me? I say self-love first. Love yourself, regardless of how you look. If you're even ugly like me, no. If you're handsome like me, love yourself the same way. Yeah, love yourself first. You get me? I say, a man, I make no woman use, You get me? I say, put yourself first. Big up on yourself. So until next video, one fire, all the fire. Love what you do and do what you love and do it to the best of your ability. What is below my nose? I'm out.